Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your video go viral using thumbnails. Yeah, if you want your video to go viral, all you just have to do now, are you using the right thumbnail? Are you using the right text and everything? So just stay tuned while I show you how you can use thumbnails to make your video go viral, like getting 2k, 7k, 5k views, yeah, on your video, and the click rates will be above 60. All right, so now what you just have to do now, as you're seeing on my screen, your viral AI thumbnail designer. Okay, I'll be leaving this platform link, and so you can also try it, because you can also start the free trial to get a 5 credit. And you can see these are various eye-catching thumbnails: NDs, driving, exam, lecture. All these kind of thumbnails are eye-catching, and the drives traffic. It's clickable. Yeah, so this platform, as you can see, watch how skill nails works and learn how to dominate your YouTube with engaging thumbnails under 10 minutes. All right, so without wasting much of our time, I don't want to take this too far. Let me just go straight to the point. Okay, all right. So, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate that. I won't take that for granted. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do me that favor right now and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. Okay, so two kids, you need to dominate social media. Yeah, okay, go from zero to viral with AI powered and data backup thumbnails. Yeah, that's right. As you can see, AI thumbnail generation. You can also use your image, yeah, your custom avatar image on this platform. I'll show you everything. Just stay tuned. So all you just have to do now is to get your account ready. You can either use your Gmail to create an account, or you sign in through SSO method. Okay, now creator proven template, there are also different template, and there are also powered AI template here that you can use, and also a custom template, and there's also a video transcript analysis. But I would like you to use the video aspect. Okay, when you upload your video on YouTube, you just put it as schedule, all right, or you put it as private. Okay, so when you do that, you go back to copy the link from that YouTube video and paste it on this site. All right, so then it will generate a thumbnail for you that will go viral. Yeah, okay, so this is how the thing looks like. Okay, as you can see now, they also have a payment plan, and you can also give it a try. They have free trial for 3 days at least. You have about 10 credits, so you can see if it's worth it for you to try it out, because it worth it. Okay, so now I'll go over to project. So let me go over to projects here. Okay, so these are project now. As you can see now, this is a thumbnail, my project. As you can see, one of the project which I did. As you can see the project here, Aurora Exchange here, from my video. I'll also be linking this video on this video here. Yeah, just check below the description. You also see this video, so you can also check it out. Yeah, all right, so what you have to do now is to come over to new thumbnail. You see description slash transcription, which is the fastest, but the fastest here is the YouTube. You come over here and you click on YouTube. When you click on YouTube, the link, you go over to your YouTube channel. Let me just go over to my channel right now. Okay, this is my channel. Okay, let me see, I'll just come over here and then get shareable link. So I'll just copy the link, and then I'll paste the link here. Okay, so where's this now? No, okay, all right, so you just come over and then you paste the link here. Okay, so as you can see, automatically it has given us this stuff here. So you click on create project. Okay, click on create project. You see different kind of projects templates that you can use. As you can see, these are the different type of templates. You just have to pick one of them, or you do the costume. Yeah, you use custom template, that the one you put your image, and as you can see here, it say man or woman. Okay, so the avatar, you can put your avatar here, like add here. Okay, that's how it work, and then you're good to go. All you just have to do now is to download the thumbnail and then you use it on your video. Okay, so this video is almost getting too long. I don't want to make it too long, and I need your reviews about this platform, Skill Nail. Just leave that in the comment section below, and let me see your quality review concerning this platform if you tried it out. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I also remember, mind zone, and peace out, guys.
And boom, this is our updated thumbnail. So I just changed the color of the text in seconds, but you can do anything, okay? If I want, I can add a hat on his head, or I can change the text totally. So let's try that. I'm gonna say change the title text to AI Mastery 2026, and let's try and regenerate it again. So this is a very useful feature because AI doesn't always create a perfect thumbnail on the first try, so you can always edit small details that you want about the thumbnail, and it literally takes a few seconds instead of creating it for 30 or 60 minutes in Canva. And here's our thumbnail. It nailed the text perfectly. So now I can just go ahead and download, and it's done. So this is how you can... Okay, and